Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Zen Shop on Grow a Garden on the Zen quest. It's not a quest, but what is this? Hello? Oh, wait, what is that? Okay. Anyways, to find the Zen Shop, go to this raccoon. I don't know what this is. Zen Shop, press talk and says, show me the Zen Shop. And here you can trade tranquil plants for this animal. But you can only open up the rest if you have grown your tree 6 times. As you can see, I'm only in stage 1, so make sure you grow your tree as well and trade your tranquil plants there. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!